Hi.
Oh, hello.
And then you say I'm gonna be joining with my friend Anthony.
I'm going to be doing an unboxing with my brother Anthony. Some Pokemon cards.
Hello.
There he is. So,
Let me go somewhere real quick to get some water.
some water.
Back.
Back and better than ever.
Okay. Aggie, which one you want to do first?
I guess this one. The Scarlet and Violet.
And then we can do this one.
Paldea Evolved.
Paldiva Evolved. And Evolved.
Alright, I'm going to open this.
Okay. There's only 6 packs in there.
I think there's more.
Okay, I will take them out.
Yeah, make sure you show the camera. Move it a bit. Go a bit closer.
Can you tell me what the names are?
That is Squawkabilly.
Squawkabilly.
Squawkabilly. Kind of cool. That is Capsakid.
Capsakid.
Looks kind of cool. Let me see this one. Alomamola.
Alomamola.
We got Pawmo.
Pomo. Energy.
We got a rock chest plate. That's kind of cool. I didn't know they made things like this. Cetitan.
And then these are humans.
Yeah, we got
Human.
Team Star Grunt.
Silver.
Ooh, a shiny card. You guys see the shiny?
No, it's silver.
Yeah, but it's a shiny. It's a silver shiny.
Yeah. And
We got-
another one.
Lee Chunk. He looks like a pig. Mhm.
Another one.
We got Arven. Team Leader. Is that what it said? Supporter? Trainer?
Whoa. Get this one.
Whoa. A Nihilapa.
Anaya happy.
Hilape. Kind of a shiny. I think it is a shiny.
And
a basic energy card.
Basic energy card.
Okay, that was a cool pack. Which one are we doing next?
This one.
Okay. We're doing the Silver Sword and Shield Silver Tempest.
Silver Tempest.
Silver.
Tempest. Silver.
Here you go. We got Indeedee.
Indeedee, I already know that.
Do you? Let's see. We got Marini Poison Sting. She's kind of cool. We got
The crocodile guy.
Swirlix.
Crocodile.
Crocodile. What's his name? Sandile. He looks kind of cool, actually.
We got that
Looks
one.
like he's wearing like goggles. Togedemaru. He's kind of cool.
Cool. Kamu. And he is an iron type. And then look at this one. It's pony. And it's fire type.
Ponita? Ponita?
Ponita?
Ponita?
Whoa, this monster bug looks cool.
Monster bug. His
And-
name is Armaldo.
and
He
he-
looks cool.
And guess what? He evolved.
This is an evolved. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
evolves from a Norith. I can't say these things. Basic energy.
Basic energy. Trainer.
Candace.
Candace
Candace.
is the name of the trainer. And then
Glalie.
he also evolved.
This is another evolved one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, evolves from
It shows you in a corner.
Snorunt.
And then the last is energy fossil.
Oh, I dropped it. I got it. Unidentified fossil. Is this a rare card?
I don't know. It's not real at all. It's just a fossil.
Huh. That's kind of cool.
Okay.
Next.
You guys get to pick which one you want us to do next. This one, that one, or that one.
So
You want this one? Okay, what's happening? Yeah. I think I got it.
you think you got it? We got the cards on deck.
Ta-da!
We should have bought some Legos. Next time we're doing Legos.
Okay. Aggie.
Yep, I'm coming. We got Snore. Oh, this is that guy that evolved from the other
Yeah.
pack. This is what he first started out as. That's cool.
This guy didn't evolve yet.
Snow Hat Pokemon. Nose Pass. That's funny.
Look at him.
Did
Why is he a psychic type?
Dedenne? Dede?
And
Something
he's
like
a
that.
psychic type.
Sidekick.
Yeah, psychic. Right here. Right here.
Oh, that's what that means?
Yeah, psychic.
Ah, you know your Pokemon. This guy looks like a
And he's a water type.
Cubchoo.
We got another silver.
Another shiny? Oh, hold on, let's do this one. Shinx.
Shinx.
Yeah, Shinx.
I think that's my favorite one. Shinx.
He's cool.
Whoa!
Whoa, hold on, let's see what this guy is. Another silver shiny. This guy is Starly.
And he's not involved, but he's like beat X. Like he's
This is a cool card.
let's show them.
Shaman.
Shaman. That's a rare.
It's rare?
Yeah.
He's got a lot of health, so I would think he is. 190? That's cool. Basic energy. We got Clang, which he looks like he's just gears. Literally just gears.
He doesn't even have eyes.
No, that might be his eye. That,
Yeah, he
that
only-
X and O?
Yeah.
Those might be. I don't know.
He has two eyes. And then
We got Torkoal.
And then we have this one. And then we have
Double turbo energy. I've never seen this one. Have you?
no.
That looks cool.
Okay.
All right.
I knew there was gotta be a way on here.
So this guy was the rare
Yeah,
Shaman.
yeah. Because it shows Shaman. Shaman is really on the
Oh yeah,
picture.
he's on the cover. That's cool.
So I think we should do this one.
Okay, we're gonna do Paldea Evolved.
Paldea Evolved!
Here you go. All right.
Let's take.
Who we got?
Let me take that out.
Oh, okay. We got Knackley.
Nasri Naki.
Well, I don't know which it's which. Headbutt.
Headbutt. And this is a plant type.
Yeah, Nimble. Nimble, probably Nimble.
I think we got another way, but we're not up to it yet.
We're not up to it. I think we got another Shinx, but he looks to be, it's like a different one this time. I don't think that's the same one.
This one looks cool. It's an owl.
Whoa. Root Kitty. He's kind of cool.
Look at this Pokemon. He's a sand Pokemon.
Sand Pokemon? Hold on, let's get to this one. We got Dendra, Trainer.
And then we got the most funniest one in the world. Sand Pokemon.
Palo Sand, something like that.
And it's a psych type.
Sidekick Pokemon.
Raichu!
We got
evolved.
Raichu? Wow, we got a Raichu.
And he evolved.
Oh, that's cool. Gotta love the Raichu cards.
Whoa, what is that?
That is cool.
What? This is even cooler.
Whoa,
What?
there's a lot of shinies in that one. Mabostiff. Wow, this guy looks big. He looks really powerful. Doesn't he?
Let's get on to him.
This guy is Ting Lu? Is that EX part of his name? No.
No.
Then we got Ting Lu. We got a shiny. He looks absolutely awesome.
Okay, let's count how many shinies we have. Okay?
In just that pack or in total?
In total. So we have Shaman.
Is this a shiny?
I don't know. It's not rare.
It's not rare, okay. Oh,
We got Shaman.
it's just the darker colored ones? I think I know which ones are which. No, none from this one.
We got Shaman and then him.
Starly, I think this
And
is...
then I think this one is the coolest one.
Yeah, that was a different Shinx.
No, this one.
Who's this? We didn't show them. Novern?
And then we got a water energy.
We got water energy? Wow, we haven't gotten one of those in a while. That's it for that pack?
Yeah.
Okay, one more. We've gotten a lot of good cards. Here, you
Yeah.
want to put the shinies in their own pile? Alright, we got another Paldea Evolved pack. Let's see.
Another Paldiva?
Yeah.
There was two of them?
Yeah, but I think they're different kinds. They're not the same cover.
Ugh. And don't forget, if you want to get more I'm just showing this to you real quick. Okay, let's get started. A Pokeball.
A great ball.
A great ball.
I've never seen one like that. Oops.
Plant type. No, he's not a plant type.
No, I'm just showing. That's a plant?
Yeah.
Hoppip.
And we got.
Plant.
And then we got this one. He's just like Snorlax.
Makuhita.
He's sweeping like Snorlax.
Yeah.
Here, we got another involved one.
Then we got Pincurchin.
We got another involved
Another
one.
evolved.
And two involved.
Two evolved in one pack. Let's see this one. Talonflame. He's kind of cool.
And he's a fire type. And then he's a fire type one that I was talking about. And then he's
Did we get two of the same card? Wow, we did. Right? Wow. What are the odds? Is that even possible? To get 2 of the same cards in one pack?
Yes.
In one pack? Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Alright, well, we got 2 of him. 2, and he's evolved from Bottrell. Then we got Skip Loom.
Skip one.
Somewhat a shiny. Then we got, hold on, there's one extra. Then we got Isku. He looks like he's raiding the fridge.
And his head. And guess what? Guys, his head is actually made out of ice.
It is. Wow, that's cool. Then we got Luxray, Stage 2. This is an evolved one. That's cool again.
Wait. One second. Give me
What?
back this one.
Oh, okay. And then we just got basic.
No, this
Energy.
one. No, this one.
Oh, right. And then we got another basic energy. So we got a lot of cool cards here. I'd say this was a very successful opening. How about you, bud?
It's good. And I got an spy for you to see it.
Oh, and we also got a new Baby Yoda.
It's a toy.
Oh.